It is easy to take electricity for granted, but modern life would not be possible without it. In order to keep it going, we are going to need more efficient ways to manage our electricity. This is the smart grid. For over 100 years, we have transferred privately owned decentral electricity production into a very efficient, centralized electrical power production and distribution. By burning fossil fuels like gas, oil and coals, this central system provides electricity to millions of homes at low cost and with high reliability. But today, the grid is facing some new challenges, which could cause trouble. More and more electrical appliances like electric stoves, dishwashers, tumble dryers, washing machines, and even electric cars are being found in and around our homes. Also, locally produced electricity like solar and wind are introduced to the electricity grid. The introduction of these green local sources causes electricity to flow into multiple directions. This, together with an increase of usage, could cause trouble and results in an overload of the electricity grid. The grid is designed to handle peak loads of electricity demand, and because most of us use electricity between 5 and 8, this is where the peak occurs. When we increase our electricity usage, this is where most increase is found. In the past, peak overloads were resolved by simply upgrading the current grid by adding more power sources or electricity lines. But now, new technologies are introduced which could help us cutting the peak and placing it to other moments. In this way, the demand of electricity throughout the day is at a more constant level, making upgrades unnecessary. Here's how. By adding sensors and communication, we create a smarter grid. By this, engineers could better manage different electricity flows, and homeowners get more insight in their energy consumption. For example, the price of electricity changes throughout the day according to the availability. The price could be high around 8 and low at 3 when there's a lot of solar energy available. Unfortunately, with our current meters we cannot see this. With the smart grid, homeowners are able to see these differences and can act accordingly. Instead of doing the laundry at peak moments, they can now decide to shift the laundry towards the cheaper moments. This helps them to get more control of their electricity bill and helps to build a sustainable future. Although the smart grid is still some while away from now, new technologies are being introduced today, helping consumers make sustainable energy decisions.